Good day, everyone. Learn how to log into your Outlook email in browser in 2026. So open your browser, and here we will type google.com, and in the search result type Outlook. You can search from any of the search engine, no issues. So once you have typed Outlook, search for it. And please make sure you visit only outlook.live.com, msn.com, or microsoft.com. So we will go with outlook.live.com, and I will click on Outlook. And you will have a window like this where it will ask you to search and sign in. So I'll click on sign in. You have this Outlook option right here. So here it says sign in. So we will click from the top or the bottom. It is up to you. It is the same. Now it will ask you to enter the email, phone, or Skype. So you just need to enter your email, and then it will ask you to enter the password, and you will be able to log in. You also get sign-in options. So you can use your face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key. Whatever you have set, you will be able to log in. By any chance, if you have forgotten your password of Outlook, then you can click on Can't Access My Account, and you can select your personal account, and then it will ask you to enter the recovery, like email or phone number, and you can simply follow the procedure and you will be able to log into your email. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.